Hello everyone, welcome to BioNwater International. Today we will show you the simple and easy steps on how to install your alkaline water machine. In front of me is the BioNprime model. So as you unbox, when you take it out from the box, these are all the parts that comes with it. I will show you the parts and its functions so you could put your water machine together. So to start with is the nozzle. It's as easy as just putting it here, turn it. This is needed because this is where the alkaline water will be coming out from. So next is the nozzle for the acidic water. You just put it together, tighten it. Let's put it on the side first. And there are two hoses that comes with it. One is gray, one is white. So the gray one is the one needed for your acidic water. So all you have to do is attach it on the back part of the nozzle. Next, it comes with the clamp too. Just slide in the clamp on the end of the gray hose and then turn your machine around, down. There are plastic tubings here, so the one with the black stopper on it, you just take out the stopper and slide in the gray hose and lock it with the clamp. After installing the water hose for the acidic water, we'll go to the white hose, which is for the main water source for your machine. So you just turn it again, plug on the water tube inlet, push it all the way together, and when it's not moving anymore, that's to ensure that it's placed properly. And then look for one of the locks. It doesn't matter if it's red or blue. There's a space between it. Just push the lock all the way inside, and there, it will not move anymore. So when we have this, there's a magnet for this, and there's a magnet for it. You just have to peel the double adhesive tape so you can place it anywhere you want. So next, we have two diverters. One is for getting water source coming from your faucet. The diverter and all the attachments and O-rings that comes with it. Next, we have the pH tester, so you can test your machine later after putting it together. You can check the alkalinity and what type of water comes out on your machine. Next is the diverter for the undersink installation. Cover for covering the hoses, inlet and outlet. We'll do this later. Spare fuse. Suction cups. Small filter. And some small screws. So next, we will go to the installation. Now we will go to the next part. The next part is getting water from different sources. So I'll show you the first way of where to get water from. Getting from your faucet, and we will use the diverter. The diverter for the faucet. So this water diverter, you attach it to your faucet, and each faucet has different sizes, but we have all the converters that comes with it here. Make sure there are several O-rings too that comes with it. Whichever fits in your faucet, that's the one you use. You will see it as when you tighten it. So number one, you attach the white hose on the port, the inlet port here, outlet port, slide the lock first, and then just push it in, and then screw it back, tighten it. So now, imagine your faucet is here, attached here. You just have to turn the knob. If it's pointing down, it functions like your regular faucet. Water will still flow underneath. But as you turn it upwards, the water is diverted going to your machine. Okay. Now I will show you the use of the other diverter. This is getting water from under your sink. So what you will find under your sink is the main valve. Make sure you will tap the diverter. You will take out water coming from the cold water source. Normally this is what you'll find. It's either a plastic, brass, or braided. Commonly it's a braided tube. What you do is turn off the valve, loosen the hose that's on it, attach your diverter. I recommend you use Teflon tape to prevent leaks. When the tape is tied around it, you just tighten it all the way again, and then you put back the braided or the hose going to the faucet. And then, when that's done, you put the white hose, attach it right here. And then get another hose lock. It doesn't matter if it's red or blue, on the space provided, so it will not move. Once it's locked, turn on the valve, and then get a flathead screwdriver. This is another valve. Turn it counterclockwise or to the left. I suggest you just turn it halfway. Turn it halfway first, so that water will be diverted going to the white hose going inside to your machine. Okay, the use for the small filter is to prevent small contaminants to go inside your water source. What you do is cut your white hose into half, but make sure the valve is off so there's no water flowing. There's an arrow here on the filter pointing to where the water is flowing. It should be pointing going to your machine. And then all you do is push it in, and if it's not moving, that's locked. And the same way on the other side. And then again, you get the lock and lock it on the space, so it cannot be pulled easily. Next, we go to the usage of the suction cups. The suction cups is an option for you. You just slide it in the acidic hose so that it will hold wherever you want to position it on your kitchen top. And lastly is the cover for the water and inlet port. You will just lock it here and screw it. There are 4 screws on it to tighten it. So there we have it. All the parts are installed. The valve is turned on. Water is flowing. All you have to do is plug your power cord to a power outlet, and then you can turn on the machine, turn the knob halfway. Your alkaline water is ready. Thank you very much. I hope this video has been very helpful. Good day.